Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell about the stock market. What is stock market? So basic little bit I know that what is stock market. So stock market is that when you when you buy a share of any company, so and they company will profit in day by day, so and increase your profit also, and company go low to high. So this is stock market. When you get some percentage for company shares, so this is a stock market. And here is the demerit of stock market. When you loses of to share, when you share you share 500 rupees on any, you purchase any stock, so share and stock company, so and company will go down. So they have, here is not profit to you. So this is the demand of stock market. And I this is my ninth challenge. So I have completed.